but we've got a beautiful sunset here. We just moved to a new site. Our site was not available, so we moved. We had made reservations for a couple nights here on the new site. And it just so happens our new site is right on the stream here. Multitasking, you see?
Yep. Read little while I'm crocheting.
We got a beautiful view here.
Oh.
And the sounds. Something very magical about that time right after it stops raining. It's just very lightly drizzling right now, but the air just smells so fresh. Sun's starting to come out a little bit. So the sites at South Fork Campground are $22 per night. There's no water and electric. Make the reservation either online or you can do it first come first serve. You can just get an envelope and then pick your site if it's available. Currently we're on site number 3. Our first night we were in site number 9. So all of these sites 3, 5, and 8 are on the river or on the stream. There's some tent sites that are walk only. So you park here and then you cross the bridge, and then there's these tent sites. These are really beautiful. So this is our 4th day of boondocking here in South Fork Campground. And current update, our battery went down a little bit, so we're at 12.5 right now. And I don't know if it's going to charge very much today just because it's pretty much overcast. There is some charge. It was at 12.3, 12.4 this morning, so I know it's been charging a little bit. So maybe we'll get just enough to kind of boost it up again. But we use so little power that I don't think it's going to be an issue. Also, the Jackery has gone down to about 80% with the Starlink use. I've got the solar panels out for that as well, just to get those kind of back up again. But with the limited sun today, we're probably not going to get a whole lot of additional use, but this is kind of our last day that we're going to be boondocking. We're headed to South Dakota again, probably Badlands KOA, and so we'll have full hookups so we can dump, get water, get the batteries charged. In the meantime, we'll just enjoy this beautiful scenery yet again.
Yeah.
Kind of a no new stuff to look at, but we're okay with that. It's just a more boring trip, and we're okay with that. The whole point of this trip was to be relaxing, and I think we've accomplished that.
Yes, absolutely.
Our final day in the Bighorn National Forest.
Yes.
Just gonna go for a little chilly walk this morning. Check out, see if we can find any life forms besides humans. We did see the elk, some squirrels. That's pretty much it. But we're off to Badlands after this, so
Yay.
Should be a beautiful day for driving. Beautiful sunny skies now.
So gorgeous.
But it's very cold.
Yeah.
So, gotta keep warm now.
Yeah.
Our furnace did run last night. Battery's going down to about 12.1, 12.2 volts. We didn't get any recharging yesterday because we had no sun. Today is full sun and we're driving, so I'm not too worried about it. So it should be back up to charge.
Yep.
And then we'll have full hookups tonight in the KOA Badlands campground. So it should be fun.
Yeah.
Road again, headed to Badlands KOA. One disadvantage of a motorhome is you get a lot of moisture in the front, so we had to wait a little bit to let things clear up before we could go. So hanging out for another day here at the Badlands, and we're just making some pancakes and having some coffee and enjoying this beautiful picnic area, which used to be super quiet, but it's for some reason extremely busy today. I always like to make our pancakes from scratch using the shake and pour. Actually, it's very convenient. And they're very good. It's ideal for, especially when you're boondocking, if you're conserving on water and you want a quick and easy pancake meal. Made a decision here to hopefully go to a boondocking site tonight overlooking the Badlands. We're going to give it a try. I've heard much about it, and apparently it's kind of crowded, but we're going to just see what it looks like. And then we might have to change our reservation to the KOA. So
yeah, if we can find a spot and if it's a good one for us.
We'll see. So we managed to find a really nice spot here at the Dispersed Badlands camping spot. Very cool. Oh, geez, rattlesnake. All right. That looks like a rattlesnake to me. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to get too close to him. He's just laying there. I don't think he's injured. Or maybe he just got done eating something. Maybe it's not a rattlesnake, actually. I didn't see a rattle. Rocks. Just saw a big snake. Wasn't sure what kind of snake it was.
Oh.
I just want to try to capture the situation that we're in at the boondocking place here.
Yeah.
That we've heard so much about from lots of different sources, but
Yeah.
I don't know, it's been a very enjoyable, restful evening. Did a little bit of the e-biking, just going up and down the dispersed camping spots, checking things out.
Yep. Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, the scenery is beautiful. It is windy, of course. There's no trees, nothing to stop the wind, so it is very windy, but that's okay. Very comfortable weather. It probably just has to do with the time of year. And it will get down to, what did you say?
53 tonight. Yeah, it was
Something.
a high of 80 degrees, but
Yeah.
we've got a beautiful sunset here. Well, good morning. We had a really great night here in the Badlands overlook. It was actually very windy, quite cool, but slept really well. Super quiet campground.
It would be a little smoother with some butter.
So it's 11 o'clock now and it's really cleared out. A lot of sites have opened up. Good to know in the future. It's Friday, just before the weekend. No, it's Saturday actually. Saturday over the weekend, and lots of spaces available. It does definitely start to kind of fill up later in the evening though, so it's good to be aware and arrive early enough if you want to get a good spot. So there's a lot of sites that are not very level, so you have to be a little creative with how you line up. We managed to get pretty level on our spot, but most of them kind of slope inward from the ridge. Thanks for coming along on another adventure. Besides the wind out here, it's just an amazing overlook. We had an amazing trip to the Bighorn Mountains, saw Devil's Tower, and now finish it off with this amazing spot here in the Badlands.
Yes.
Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you. Take care.